Hello guys, in today's video I will be showing you how to turn on and off prioritize your followers on your account on Bluesky easy and quickly. So first of all, enter the Bluesky application, then click on these three lines up here and then go to the settings. Now here you will find content and media. Here you will find thread preferences. So as you see here you will find prioritize your follows, click on it. So now you will turn it off and turn it on just like this. So show replies by people you follow before all other replies. So that's it. That's how to turn on and off prioritize your follows easy and quickly. Oh, that's it for today's video. I hope this is the answer you've been looking for. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe. And that's it. See you in the next video.